Sono para amantes a la salsa, tu salsa favorita, dale. Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here. So the translation is only for salsa lovers. Your favorite salsa song is. So let me show you how to do it. First of all, you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And from my page, you have to go to add your sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So go to add your stickers at highlights. And here you have to click until you find the desired sticker. And as you can see, I only have viral trends right here, so you can check these two if you want. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. And once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get that link in the Instagram app. So yeah, let's go to our uploads and choose a background photo. You can choose a background photo with you. I will go with this photo right here. Place your sticker where you want, and then you have to go to your stickers, then go to music, and here you have to type in your salsa song, your favorite salsa song. So this is my favorite salsa song. You have to click on the done button from the right bottom corner and place your song where you want. So once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. Click on the your story button from the left to bottom corner and your story will be shared. So yeah, now let's show you from where you can get that link. If you are not able to click on the add yours button, you have to go to super viral from my page, and here you have to click until you find that story. So there we have it. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can go ahead and check this link right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.